Yo, what's good? This is the first video, and today I'm gonna be doing some activities. This is a video throughout my whole week, so it's not really gonna be a lot of talking. It's just just showing around. Mainly in this channel is just gonna be cars, a little bit like daily life stuff here and there, and like a little bit of workouts or something, and that's basically it. Came out yet? No? It's not coming out until this summer, I think. Sick. I can get one. Yeah, but they're not here. That's what I'm saying. Super. Damn. buy one of these. Watch. Straight up. Where's the stop on? Right 32. There's gonna be a Nismo coming. Another R34 twin turbo. Because they're Japanese, huh? This is the one. This is the engine I'm trying to put in that. 6,000. This is the one I want. Sick. This is the one I'm trying to get. This one? Yeah. How you doing? Nah, but the video's over, you know what I mean? So this, see how it goes, you know what I mean? If it goes out good, you know, I'll probably be posting more, like a little bit more, because I'm not really gonna do this a lot, just like little by little, you know what I mean? But if it goes out good, and you know, I'll do more, like a little bit sooner than what I plan to do it. But other than that, you know, it is how it is. Probably I'll just probably do little clips here and there, you know, wherever I go. And the plan next is like to get my car and I'll just start recording there and do little things here and there, you know. But other than that, that's it. If you don't like it, you know, I don't really care, you know, just it's whatever. But if you do, you know, thank you, I guess. And that's it. So